Alright, so if you didn't know, this weekend we're supposed to get a snowstorm. Following 2 or 3 days of upper 50s, lower 60s. So tomorrow it's gonna start snowing. And even into Sunday morning, it's gonna snow. And I heard this weekend it's only gonna be in the 30s and 40s. And Monday is supposed to be much warmer, it's only gonna be like 50. About an inch or so here where I live in eastern New Jersey. And most of the northeastern U.S. are gonna get either 1 to 3 inches or 3 to 6 inches. Don't mind that. I don't know what happened. But after snowstorm ends, a couple days later, it's gonna get much warmer. So, so apparently it's gonna feel more like April to February. Something like what happened last year. Except it isn't gonna come anywhere near. Well, it might come somewhere near 80. Unlike down south, the warmth isn't gonna last here. It's gonna last only like a day or two, maybe 3 days. Tuesday, Wednesday. But yeah, either way, Tuesday we're gonna get record-breaking warm weather after snowstorm this weekend. So yeah, keep it up to you guys on snowstorm and on the record-breaking warm weather.